Take a look at this 2004 Toyota Tacoma. Carfax has certified this Tacoma as having one owner. This Tacoma has just under 101,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 3.4-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, tow package, driver airbag and premium wheels. Call 843-797-8000 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.